For this brand, I threw in 2 pink adult size KN95s. Again, they're not real KN95s because they don't have the standard tag printed on the mask. Let's do it. Packaging is superb. Wow, this is a really cool pink. The pink, like, perfectly matches their packaging almost. Don't let the perfect be the enemy of the good, okay, people? All right, this is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. We are doing the N95 test using NaCl, using the TSI 8130A machine to test these Kaze KN95. You'll note that it says KN95 on the packaging, does not say KN95, does not say KN95. It needs to say GB 2626-2019. It needs to have the manufacturer name, which they have, and it needs to say KN95 for it to be KN95. It's not that. Eden knew that. She already let us know. She said, they're still great masks though, Lloyd. So what do you think? Wow, each one of these smells so different. This smell is Nana's bathroom. Nana keeps a very clean bathroom, but there's something going on there. I'm not sure what it is. Of all the different masks that we've tested from Kaze, this one's the weirdest smelling one. I don't know what it is. I think it's actually maybe the nose foam. Yeah, I think it's what it is. All right, great ear loops, adjustable, really hard to do in the manufacturing process. Kudos to them for that. Their last mask tested at 99%, great breathability. What does this one do? 99.8. These guys are all over the place. 99.8 with 151.8 pascals. 151.8. In standard, passes. Highest passing mask that we've had today, though. Like, it has to be under like 210, I believe, for KN95. Was passing the standard there, really hard to breathe through.